This is a refillable bottle, and so is this. But this isn't. What's the difference? Well, there are a couple of differences between a bottle that is truly refillable and one that was not designed to be refillable. Bottles that you buy at the drugstore are not designed to be used in the same way as the bottles that you buy to be beautiful fixtures in your shower. And one of the biggest ways that that is true is the cap or closure that may be on that bottle. And I'll give you an example. On this particular bottle, this closure is meant to be used this way, where you open and close, and this hinge has been tested for reliability over some number of flips and uses. I think it's in the tens of thousands, so there's no worries. If you buy this bottle and you use it until the liquid is gone, you're not going to get to 50,000, flips of the cap while you own this bottle. What it wasn't designed to do is to be refilled. Don't believe me? Did you hear that? That's a pop because this lid pops on. It doesn't screw on. And this was never designed to actually be taken off and back on hundreds or thousands of times. And I know that because I specifically looked into trying to create a cap like this. And so far, all of these caps that enable you to put your bottle upside down in the shower do not come with the ability to twist this cap off, but they all pop on. I have a feeling, and I can't say for sure because I haven't tested this out, but I do have a feeling that after a certain number of pops off, that popping closure is going to lose its integrity and your bottle will start to leak out of the separation between the bottle and the cap, especially if you're storing it upside down, which is the whole point of having a cap this wide, right? That bottle is not a refillable bottle because it's not designed to be opened over and over and over again like this and refilled and poured into and closed and opened. That's just not what it was designed to do. Now, a closure like a twist-on cap, that is designed to be opened as many times as you need to. This one, I would call not a refillable bottle, mostly because of the shape of the bottle and the stickers all over it. Now, the pump actually is a good closure. It will work well. You can twist it off and back on, so it doesn't have the same problem as that other bottle. But the problem with a bottle like this that you buy at the drugstore, for me personally, is I don't like this stuff all over my bottles. I don't want to see all the advertisements, the ingredients, the benefits. I just want to see a bottle that says, there's soap in there. So for me, this isn't a refillable bottle because now I have to spend time taking the stickers off. And don't forget, we got the sticker on the back too. So now I got 2 stickers. It's going to take a little bit of time. Can you turn this into a refillable bottle? Technically, sure. If you want to spend time taking stickers off, you can absolutely do that. No harm done. But another reason I would call this particular bottle not refillable is because of its shape. If you can see its footprint, it's a lot wider than it is thick. And so when the liquid gets low, and I know this by experience, the pumping action on the top is going to cause this bottle to wobble around a lot on the top of your sink. Refillable bottles are typically designed, and I don't know about every other company, but I can tell you for Bountiful Home, I specifically design all of my bottles so they have a wide base. No matter how low your liquid goes, you are not going to cause this bottle to tip over while you're pumping it. So those are the main reasons why not every bottle at the grocery store or at the drugstore is a refillable bottle by nature. I just needed something that looked good. And over time, I developed something that was so much easier to use than a standard bottle that you buy from the drugstore. And again, the important thing to note is that there's nothing wrong with the bottles from the drugstore. It's just that they were designed to be used when you have product in them and when the product is gone, they're designed to be recycled, removed from your home, and replaced. Now, if you want to learn more about how to choose a refillable bottle for your home and all of the considerations that go into how useful it's going to be for you, then watch this video here.